Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a video with my little sister. What do I do? Nothing. So this video is all about acne prone skin, blackheads, whiteheads, and you know, all the skin issues that a lot of girls and boys face in their teenage years. So my sister is here visiting me from Brisbane. So she's been in Melbourne for a couple of days and she's leaving in the morning and it's really late at night, but we got a sudden idea to film like a mask, like a DIY natural mask and remedy for oily skin. So I'm going to show you guys a 3 to 4 step process which is super easy. You can do it at home on a budget, so you don't need to have a huge amount of cash to do it. It's all natural and it's really easy. So I've got my model here and you can see that she's got no makeup on, unlike me. But her main problems, she's 17 years old, and the main problems, what do you face?
I have oily skin.
So you've got blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, skin congestion.
Yeah.
And a lot of these things like happen because of hormones, but you know, puberty as you're growing up, your diet, water intake, you know, all these things can really affect your skin, as well as pollution. So I'm going to show you guys a really simple remedy, which I'm going to move into. But before you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my
Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook.
Yes. So if you want to see the remedy, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are back with our DIYs. So we've got our like scrub or exfoliator, and then we've got our mask. Our mask is also going to act as like an exfoliator today, so it's really perfect for all your young skins out there. But I just wanted to say before I begin this remedy that you do not need to be a teenager to try this recipe. Of course, like any age can try this recipe. Guys, girls, all of you guys can try this if you suffer from blackheads, whiteheads, acne, you know, anything like that. Try it out, let me know how it goes. Other than that, so we're starting off with, I've got a hot towel over here, so I just ran this under really hot water, and I've zoomed in as well so I can show you guys. So if you've got a steamer at home, or if you do prefer to steam your face instead of using a hot towel, you can definitely do that as well. But because we're filming this, I'm going to show it to you with a hot towel. So to begin the skincare remedy, so we're going to start off with, so I want you to come right here. So we've got a clean face right now, and I'm just going to put the hot towel on the face for about 15 seconds until the pores are open up. Okay, so and this is hot, so make sure it's not like too hot that it starts burning your skin, just enough, you know, that it's comfortable. And just leave it onto your face until it's comfortable as well, and so all the pores are opened up for our remedies that we're going to do. So I'm just also going to clean your face with the hot towel. Make sure there's no dirt. And we are going to start this remedy with my skin exfoliant. So I just showed you guys how to make this scrub. If you guys want to take the rose water out and use normal water, you can definitely do that as well. But I like the rose water because it really helps with, you know, a number of skin conditions. So if you do have rose water, I recommend it. And so we're just going to start off with applying this to the skin, and I'm going to start scrubbing the skin, and I'm just going to start exfoliating. So do you want to hold that for me? I was convincing her to do a turban style, but did you do it?
Mm-mm.
She won't do it. So if this gets all over my hijab that you're wearing,
I'll wash it.
I'm gonna kill you.
Feels good.
Yeah.
It's not harsh.
No, this is not harsh. You can, but I wouldn't recommend doing this more than once a week. So bicarbonate soda or baking soda is like perfect for blackheads or whiteheads. It's got these oh, sorry, did I get that on your eye?
Oh, I'll do it.
So once you apply it all over your face, you just want to like let it dry a little bit and then start scrubbing your skin. So you want to exfoliate all the dead skin cells off. And I'm just going to exfoliate her skin for a couple of seconds before I wash it off. Okay guys, so we are moving in with the actual mask now. So this mask is amazing for all skin types, I just want to say, but it is especially amazing for acne prone and blackheads and whiteheads. I have been getting a lot of requests for whitehead treatment, so to that girl who emailed me a couple of times and messaged me, try this remedy and let me know how it goes. So the main thing about this remedy is the orange peel and the orange juice. Make sure you use the peel and the juice because they are both really beneficial for acne. Other than that, the rice flour is amazing at absorbing excess oils. I've done a couple of recipes with the rice flour as well. And we already know about the turmeric and also honey. As we all know, it's antibacterial. It is amazing for acne. So all of these ingredients combined together are going to help give you bright and glowing skin and beautiful and clear skin. Other than that, because it's got the orange juice in it, it is packed with vitamin C, which is amazing for brightening, which is what you want when you're young as well and for any age. I do this remedy all the time, even though I'm not a teenager. So let's welcome my sister back. She just washed her face. So as you can see, her skin has already brightened up heaps from the exfoliant we did. So the first step, you know, that we did is we kind of cleansed her face and exfoliated her face with that baking soda. And it feels so soft. Oh my god. If you guys want, you can leave the baking soda mixture on for a couple of minutes. Let it dry a little bit before you wash it off. So now we are moving in with our facial treatment. Before I go on with this, I want to say please do a patch test. I think, yeah, a couple of days ago I did post a video where I tried a face mask and I didn't even know that I was allergic to sandalwood powder. But I did a patch test with the sandalwood powder like after the video and I am allergic to it, which is why my skin reacted to it. So make sure you do a patch test, and let's move into the mask. So we are just going to start by applying a nice thick layer onto my sister's skin. So guys, so please apply a nice thick layer onto your skin and also apply onto your neck and earlobes, you know, when you're at home. We are going to leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes because it's got the honey. It is quite a thick mixture, so we want like the skin to totally absorb it and we want the mask to be dried. So I will show you guys once it is dried, and then I will also show you guys the instant results of the mask. So you can do anything for the 15-20 minutes. And, you know, we'll be right back.
Okay guys, so I've had the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now it's dry and I'm going to wash it off.
Okay guys, so we are back with the final results. How bright and clear does her skin look already? So imagine if you guys do this every week. Your skin is going to be glowing. So as you can see, her skin has literally, like, the redness is gone. Her nose had blackheads and whiteheads. There's still a blackhead which I need to extract. But other than that, I can see that her pores have shrunk and her skin, like, it's just really cleared up. And it's, the best thing is it feels really, really soft and looks really, really bright. We haven't even applied any moisturizer or anything to her face yet. I'm going to apply glow serum to her face. If you don't know what my glow serum is, please check it out in the description below. I will link my full recipe in the description below. I was also thinking of doing a glow serum recipe for like oily skin, because I know this one is more like, it's a bit more for normal combination skin. So let me know if you guys are interested. But I will moisturize, but I just want to show you guys the instant effects of the mask. Her skin has, like, literally, it looks so bright and it looks so clear. So that was the remedy, guys. I hope you all try it out, no matter what age you are. Please give it a go, especially if you're a teenager. Other than that, for teenagers, I also recommend to always use sunscreen, because you guys are growing up. You want to prevent aging from a really young age, and make sure you're moisturizing. So even though you have oily skin like my sister, you never used to moisturize, right? Because she thought she had like really oily skin, so she doesn't need to moisturize because her skin is like oily. But the fact is that your skin is producing more oil because it's dry. So you need to moisturize it and give it enough oil so it doesn't produce excess oil. So that will prevent acne in the first place. But you know, if you do this remedy even if you do it every week, once a week, like on a Sunday, you will definitely see a big difference to your skin, and it will look so nice and clear for school or uni or whatever you guys are up to, or work. So I hope you all try it out. If you want to see more videos with my sister, who doesn't live here, please let us know, and we will definitely film more when she visits or I visit her.
We'll see.
What do you mean we'll see? So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will put all the products and everything in the description below. Other than that, if you guys like the hijab I'm wearing, I did a tutorial on it a couple of days ago, and I will also link that down below, so please check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.